Welcome to 384 Rosemary Way in Grand Junction, Colorado. This home was built in 2007. It has 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. However, there is a flex space that could be used as a 4th bedroom, an office, or another living area. Some of the features I know you're going to love are the open concept split floor plan. The whole property is completely xeriscaped. Hot tub is included, and there's a fireplace in the living room as well. I can't wait for you to see it. Hi, I'm Juli Jacobson with The Real Broker in Grand Junction, Colorado. Enjoy your tour. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out. I'm Juli Jacobson with The Real Broker in Grand Junction, Colorado. Thanks for watching.